Hey guys, Ali from isocialu.com here, and in this video I want to share a quick experiment that I did on Instagram, and it boosted the engagement by 259% in just a couple of weeks. So let's go to my Instagram account. It's Ali Mirza 2K, and look at the content that I have been posting in last couple of weeks. And if you scroll down, here is the content that I posted before that. So I changed my strategy and started using 100% video content on Instagram, and this simple experiment boosted my engagement by 259%. And I know you want to know which app or tool I'm using, so here you go. I'm using Adobe's Spark Post, which is a free app, but you can use other apps and tools to create video content. But go make some videos for your Instagram.